Welcome to Adom Home Cooking. Today we are preparing egg mayo. I call it egg mayo, egg mayonnaise filling. It's a sandwich filling that we are going to do. So these are the ingredients for preparing my Adom Home Cooking egg mayo sandwich filling. I have my 2 hard-boiled eggs here, which I leave in water to cool down. I have my mayonnaise, Heinz mayonnaise, black pepper, my lettuce, and spring onion, and I have some chopped here. So what I'm going to do is I boil my egg, and it's a hard boiled egg. I'm just going to mash up this egg. You can use your potato masher like this, easy. See? But if you don't have the potato masher, you can just use your fork. This is a fork. You don't need to go and buy this just because of egg mayonnaise. You can also use your fork to, you see, just mash the egg up like that. So make sure you mash it up well. So this is my hard-boiled egg mashed up like this. I'll just sprinkle with a little bit of white pepper or black pepper. And then I'll add my chopped spring onion. If you don't like onion, don't add, just leave it. Add my spring onion. And then I'll add my mayo. Add enough mayo to your choice. You know, mayonnaise on the market, you can have a lighter one or whichever one you like. If you don't like mayonnaise, you can also use salad cream. So this is my egg mayo sandwich filling. See? So you can use this filling in your sandwich with lettuce. So this is my egg mayo, and I'm going to use it to fill my sandwich. I'm not going to butter the bread because you know mayo is already rich and fatty. So what I do is I'll use my shape cutter like you are making. If you can use this sandwich for kids for their parties or for their lunch box. You twist it well, then you get the shape out. So you place your cutter on the bread, press it down well, and then you pull the edges up to make sure that you get your shape. Pull the edges, the remaining bread out like that. So I'm going to use this filling to do my sandwich. You see, the shape alone will make the kids fall for it. And I will use lettuce. I have my washed lettuce here. I'll just put my lettuce in. Then I'll do another one. You can also fill both sides of the bread. So you put a bit here and a bit here, and then you put the salad in the middle of it. See? And this one on top like that. And then you can trim it. If you like, you can trim it or you leave it like that. So here we are, Adom Home Cooking Special Egg Mayonnaise Sandwich. The egg mayonnaise I prepared and I use it to do my sandwich. Enjoy.